It's called Ziggy Stardust and it's by David Bowie. I like to go everywhere on my bike, so I cycle a lot. I cycled today to the station to get the train to Swansea. I like to read stories mainly, so I read novels a lot. I like things like vegetarian curries and Thai food and anything spicy really. I think probably my favourite thing is a cup of tea, which is what I start the day with every morning. In school, I think probably my strongest subject was history. The only pets I've got are worms, because I've got a wormery that composts food. I don't have any other pets. I wanted to be a primary school teacher. I'm quite good at making things. I haven't done it for a long time, but I used to do quite a lot of sewing and used to make lots of soft toys and clothes and things like that. One of the reasons that I wanted to apply was because Keith Towler, who I think some of you have already met before, who was a commissioner until recently, he said once, it's the best job in the entire world. And I thought, well, if it's the best job in the entire world, I'd better apply for it.